It's giving.
It's the vibe for me, it's your vibe for me. Do you see me out there vibing freely? I don't care, I'm a vibe anywhere. Take a drive, oh, about fair, flying past your cousin rare.
So y'all, I'm starting out real rough today, but y'all already know to trust the process, because at the end of this, we gonna look slayed. This hair, guys, that I'm using today was sent to me by BeautyForever. I've had this hair for a while. I'm finally doing the video, so they sent me the hair. It's the usual box that it comes in. Y'all, my hair is a mess. I had my nails on, so I couldn't redo my braids. So we're doing the dinky braids today, and when my nails broke off yesterday, like 2, and then I woke up today and the other one went. So we're just gonna act like it's all 10s and it doesn't look like this, but I still can't braid with, yeah, because I'm right hand dominant, so I can't braid with these nails. So we're using the old braids that I have in, and all I did was just add some Got2b gel, put my hair to the back, and that's what we're using. This is the hair. This is a body wave. Clearly this is body wave. So this is their body wave, and I think the color is like a mixed color with like number 30 or something like that. I'm more of a 27 kind of girl. Like I like that lighter blonde, but this is the color that we're working with today, and we gonna make it work. We gonna make it work. It is a 13x4 frontal. Yes, it is. This is the front. I think the knots look pretty good. I mean, we're gonna make everything work because I'm not doing any excess bleaching. I'm not doing any bleaching at all. I'm literally just using some glue, some freeze spray, and we outside. Like, I'm not doing a lot. This is what the hair looks like. So the lining doesn't look bad. Let me put it on. My mirror is so dirty. I gotta clean my mirror off, y'all. What it looks like. I'm literally going to just install just like this without doing much. I'm going to hot comb like the edges a little bit before I put it on my head. I might pluck a bit. So I'm gonna pluck just a little bit in the front and use the hot comb, and then I'm just going to glue it on. And guys, you've seen me do installs 100 times. So, ow, 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 ow. Okay. So I'm just going to, wow. So I'm going to use the Ghost Bond glue. This one has a little bit in there, like, oh my god, I hope it is enough. But I'm gonna use some Ghost Bond, maybe like 2 little layers, because I'm not keeping this hair on. And then I'm going to install this wig, and yeah. Y'all, I done cut the lace way too far. I was literally trying to split it and it went up in the hairline. But you know what? It's gonna be fine. I cut the ear tabs off. Those are the most annoying parts to me. I don't like the ear parts. But yeah, I cut those off. Now I'm just going to apply the lace. I was supposed to hot comb my hair. Well, not my hair. I was supposed to hot comb the wig before doing this step, but I didn't do it. So hopefully I don't burn my forehead. This is a hot comb scar. And guys, don't worry, your hair won't fall out as long as you take the lace off properly and you remove the glue properly. Your hair's not going to fall out. I used to always do a wig cap. Then my cousin was saying to me, like, she stopped using wig caps on her clients because when you use the wig cap, you still, after the fact, have to go in with concealer on the part. So she's like, why do all that and do a ball cap? And then you still have to put the concealer and everything, so yeah, on the part. So it really don't really make that much sense. I get what she was saying. So today I feel like doing it like that without using a wig cap. And I do have wig caps, I just don't feel like doing a ball cap right now at all. So I'm just gonna let this dry down. I'm gonna do the middle and then I'm gonna do the sides. I find that this is easier.
Here we go again. I gotta pay these bills, save something. I need 10 more hours in a day. And when I'm feeling stuck, something else comes up. Sometimes I wanna have fun, but I can't. Got problems that I'm dealing with. So many mistakes I made. I'm living with so many. But I gotta find a way to make it through today. I'm leaning on a song that says everything's gonna be okay. Stop carrying problems through your life. Just let it be, 'cause everything will happen. So get up on your feet and stop worrying about things. Everything's gonna change when you surrender. Get rid of bad people in your life. Have faith and see that anything can happen. So get up on your feet and stop worrying about things. Here we go again. I gotta start all over making friends. I need better people in my space. I wanna be in love. Other times I just wanna give up. I need to learn to trust, but I can't. Got problems that I'm dealing with. So many mistakes I made. I'm living with so many. But I gotta find a way to make it through today. I'm leaning on a song that says everything's gonna be okay. Stop carrying problems through your life. Just let it be, 'cause everything will happen. So get up on your feet and stop worrying about things. Everything's gonna change when you surrender. Get rid of bad people in your life. Have faith and see that anything can happen. So get up on your feet and stop worrying about things. Everything is gonna work out fine. Everything is gonna be okay. Everything is gonna come on time. All I gotta do is live today. Everything is gonna end just right. Everything is gonna fall in place. Don't worry about you, Stop worrying about everything.
Guys, I did one side and I like how this side looks. With the edges, you really have to play around, trim it down, pluck, do a lot, especially when you're trying to do like the excess like vibe that's kind of in right now. Like you really gotta play with it a lot. Ugh. But I think I like how this side looks. And then we're gonna do the part over here though. I gotta get it together. I'm gonna do this off camera. I'm gonna figure out how I'm gonna get this side to look like what I want it to look like. So I did the rest of my like, you know, my edges. I added concealer to my part, and I also like did just like a basic face. So I'm going to curl the hair with like my curling wand. Yeah, I'm gonna go in with my curling wand and do some curls all over the hair. And then I'm gonna add a lip color with some lip gloss. I'm not adding anything on my lips. I just want my makeup to be very just like simple. And yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do. Curl the hair, add the lips, and y'all, the lips really complete your makeup look, because right now it doesn't look complete, but once I do the lips, that's it. We found be cute. I'm just waiting for this to heat up, then I'm just gonna add curls all over. And yeah, so thus far the hair, it wasn't like shedding or anything like that. I am yet to like really like detangle, like comb it out. All I did was like pluck it, and then I did have some hairs coming out because I did pluck the front. And guys, this hair, I don't think you can take it out directly out of the packaging and just wear it. You have to do some kind of work. If you want the hair to look a certain way, you got to do some kind of work. You can't just like pop it out and you're going and you're good to go. No, you have to do some kind of work. And if you plan on keeping it on for like a while, I suggest like bleaching the knots. I personally don't bleach the knots on my frontals because I don't keep my hair on that long, and I don't like doing extra work. If I don't have to do it, I don't. So I don't bleach the knots. I just add some makeup and we're here. And this is the look. I think I like the edges vibe that the hair is giving. I'm glad I did some edges because the lace was not really giving me that vibe to not have edges. So this is the look. I'm just gonna go in and curl my curling wand as best as possible. I'm not the best curling kind of girl. I don't really be curling hair, but I'm gonna do the best that I can, and we're gonna curl the hair, and it's going to be cute. Okay, so I'm definitely going to curl the back portion first and then do the top because it's easier to see the top. And the back, I'm really not doing a lot because I can't really see the back. I don't really care that much about the back, so it's not gonna be the neatest part of the hair. And I want to do the curls, but I don't want it to be neat. Like, I'm really not trying to get them to be neat. I just want it to be like curly and just kind of messy and just kind of cute. Okay, so even if these curls are not done properly, we're just gonna act like you're done properly, okay? Because I really don't think I use a curling wand really well. The only time I think I can do really good wand curls is if it's on a mannequin, but I think this one looks good. This one didn't really make the cut. But the curls look cute, guys. It's gonna be cute. Let's not worry about it. It's gonna be cute, girl. Let me just do the rest of like the back portion and then come back. Guys, so this is what the hair is looking like right now. I'm going to just like comb it out a little bit, and then I'm gonna do like some lip gloss, and then that's it. But the hair curled real good, I think. I'm not the best curler, but I think I did something. I think it looks really cute. Like, it looks cute, girl. It looks real cute. The curls are popping. Like, okay. Yes, honey. I'm just gonna do some lip gloss and that's it, but the hair is just so cute. So guys, this is a finished look. I'm loving my hair. I think it looks real cute. Like, the curls look romantic. Like, it's just giving me like a little sexy vibe, which I really like. I'm loving my hair. When it's looking, it goes down to here. All in all, guys, I really like how the hair turned out. It surprised me a bit because I was iffy about the color, but I think it looks really nice.
It's the vibe for me, it's your vibe for me. Do you see me out there vibing freely? I don't care, I'm a vibe anywhere. Take a drive over by fair, flying past your cousin Ray.
Let me know down below if you liked this video. Be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. As per usual, no lace formed against me shall ever prosper. We're gonna slay it, and that's just on period. Let me know down below, guys, what you think of this style. If you're interested in this hair, be sure to check out BeautyForever. All the links will be in the description box below. Yeah, and that's it. Wow, I just heard some thunder. I think it's gonna rain. But yeah, guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye. It's giving.